What's up, man? Welcome back to the Phenom Crypto YouTube channel. I'm Phenom, and this is where we look for the best, most up-to-date crypto and NFT news, because Phenom is crypto, and crypto is phenomenal. You know the deal. I'm gonna keep saying it. You know the deal. You know what I'm saying? Today, I want to jump into something that's really urgent. Today, we gonna really be on a serious note. Today, we ain't really fucking around, you know what I'm saying? Because I want to make sure you guys are prepared for what's happening in the market. You know, this is huge. This is big shit. You know what I'm saying? Today, we'll be discussing the market crash, what's happening right now in the market, why everything is crashing, what you should do now that everything is crashing, you know what I'm saying, and what to keep your eyes open for, or what you could possibly be buying now that the market is horrendous. It's the word I'm looking for, horrendous. You know? But let's jump right into it, man. Everything is down, not just crypto, everything is down all the way to your S&P 500. Your S&P 500 is also down as well. It's not just the crypto market, so stocks and bonds are also down as well as crypto. You know, but crypto is at about 55% down right now. Our Bitcoin is at about 55% loss right now. You know, to be in a typical bear market, they usually say it's about 70 to 80% down on all assets. You know, but right now we're hitting about 55%, and everyone is expected for it to stay within, or we hope that it stays within the 50 to 60% range right now. So that means all assets are down 50 to 60%, especially Bitcoin. But we don't know. We don't know. This can go as low as 70 to 80%, if not higher. You know what I'm saying? For some coins, they might completely liquidate. They may not exist anymore after this is done. We don't know. But right now, everything is down. Everything is down about 55%, as I just stated, or as I just said. And you want to be prepared. You want to be somebody that's in the know. You want to know what to do if this falls on you. You know what I'm saying? Because it's happening right now. And if this applies to you, you wanna make a couple moves that may secure some of the money. That'll help you make sure you don't lose all your money. Because that's what matters. That's what matters. First thing I'm gonna stress is something that I've been saying in every fucking video. Excuse my French. I'm gonna say it every time. Excuse my French. But it's something I've been saying every video. So that's where we're gonna start at today. Your research. Do your research. If any time was crucial, now is the most crucial time in your journey, especially if you're just joining the space, especially if you're just becoming somebody that's jumping in the space and you don't really know too much about anything. Do your research. I don't care if you have to spend days doing research. Do it. Because right now, everything is falling apart. The market is unforgiving. The crypto space is unforgiving. The NFT space is unforgiving. So you want to make sure you have some type of knowledge that keeps you afloat. Something you can lay your head on at night. Because that's what matters. It ain't all this shit you hear people talking about on the internet. All the shit that you don't even understand. That's not what's important. Right now, what's important is your money. You know what I'm saying? So do your research. Look into everything before you invest in anything right now. Look into it, then look into it again. And then once you're done looking into it, what I'm gonna say? Look into it again. You know what the fuck going on? You know what I'm saying? Because your money is important right now. You know what I'm saying? Your investment strategy is important right now. Your buying strategy is important right now. Your entry and exit strategy is important right now. They're dire to your success. So if you didn't get a chance to hear about those, make sure to go back and check out my other videos. You know what I'm saying? Explaining on how to really break down those things, how to break down some of the mental barriers that we face in the crypto industry, you know what I'm saying, or in the NFT space. You know, how to create learning objectives for yourself. Make sure to go check that video out. Fire video, fire. But make sure that you stay on the cutting edge. Make sure that this market isn't able to take advantage of you more than it already has, because it's hurting everyone. Everyone is down right now. Even the best projects, the best, most fundamental projects right now are down, guys. They're down tremendously. It's not good. It's not looking good for the space. But it will be okay if you know how to ride it out. If you know how to create some type of protection from the hurricane. You know what I'm saying? You just might survive. And that's what we're going for. We're trying to live to fight another day. You know? Next thing is I want you to be cautious. I want you to be cautious with any purchase right now. Be cautious with every link right now. Be cautious. If you weren't cautious before, if you were just willy-nilly clicking links and trying to be cautious right now. Because the scammers are out in full force right now for some reason. The market's down, so they figured it's a time to take advantage of people even more. Even more. So we're already getting crushed by the market itself, but then you have fuckhead ass niggas that want to scam you out of your money. Fucking dickhead. You know? Be cautious. Keep your guards up. Don't let your guards down for nobody. You don't know none of these fucking people. You are on the internet. Remember that. Be cautious. Don't be too quick to trust, man. It happens to the best of us. Make sure to check, double check, then triple check. You know? It happens to the best of us. Trust me. So that's the second thing I want to bring to your attention during this crypto crash. Be cautious. Be extremely, extremely, extremely cautious. You know? Because it can save your money. It can save your money's life. It really can. You know? With that being said, third thing I want you to start to look out for is opportunities to grow your bags. Because this is where you find them. You don't find them at things being at their all-time highs. You find your opportunities at things being in their all-time lows. But what do all-time lows bring? High volatility. That's what they bring. High volatility. So you want to make sure that if you're growing them bags, you're cautious. You know what I'm saying? But start to look to invest a little bit more. This is the time to pick up a couple coins that you know are fundamental projects that are just at extreme discounts right now. There are projects out here that are extremely good. Near Protocol is one. XRP. You know, Maybe Terra Luna. If they can figure out their whole stablecoin situation. They're fundamental projects. They're great projects. Algorand, they're great projects. But guess what? The market is crushing everybody. So right now, you can get some of these projects at extreme discounts. At prices that were close to the price they were at last year before they even shot up. You get a retry. If you didn't get in last year, if you didn't get in a couple years ago when things were great and people were waiting on the booms, here's your chance. But be cautious. Be wary of what's going on in the space. Make sure you know what you're investing in. Make sure you do your research. It's going to take you far. It might make you a millionaire. You know, it really could. Understand. The fourth thing I want you to understand is what these all-time lows mean. What do they mean for you? What do they mean for your journey? What do they mean for the things that you have going on? Do they benefit you? Are they hurting you? Were you an early investor and now this is hurting your pockets tremendously? Are you a new investor and this is a great time for you to get in? What is it? Because these are all-time lows, and what I want you to start thinking about is, what does the all-time low do for you? What opportunity does an all-time low present to you? Did you think you were going to be a hodler and now everything is crashing and now it's forced your hand to sell? What do they mean? Because those are the things you want to start to note in your mind. Because they will happen again. This market is in a cycle. That's why they call it a market cycle. It is in a cycle, which means these things will return. These all-time lows will return. And guess what? If these all-time lows have returned, all-time highs are sure to follow. It's a cycle. So figure out what these all-time lows mean for you. What they're going to do for you. What they can do for you. What opportunities did they present for you? It matters. It matters more than you can ever know. You know what I'm saying? It's huge. But the last and final thing I want to say, or I want to bring to your attention, is your fear. Everybody is extremely fearful right now. Fear is at an extreme high. Nobody knows what's going on. Nobody knows what's going to happen in the market. Nobody knows which direction it's going to go in. Use the fear to push you forward. You hear sky jumpers say stuff like that. The moment you feel the fear the most is probably the moment you should have jumped. Have some faith in yourself. If you've done the research, if you've done all the planning, if you've done the proper preparation, have some faith. Jump. Use the fear to propel you. Because this is where millionaires are made. They're not made at the top. They're made in the trenches. They're made at the bottom, where shit get dirty, where shit gets scary, where people are unsure, where they don't know what's happening with their money. This is where millionaires are made. Billionaires are made. Will you be one of them? Ask yourself. I know what my plan is. Build one for yourself. Use that fear to push you forward. because there are a lot of things that will set you back in this space. Don't get hindered by fear. Fear is your enemy. And show it can't beat you. If you're quick to give up, if you're easy to give up, that message is not for you. But if you're not scared, if you're not fearful, if you've done your research, if you feel confident in yourself, use that fear to help you jump off the porch. You might be able to fucking fly, you know? Jump off, jump. You never know. That's my whole thing. You never know. You may get involved and may not like it at all. I always say that's for you to find out. This information is for you. This space is for you to find out. It's not a guaranteed. It's not mandatory. There's nobody putting a gun to your head and making you do it. It don't exist. The pressure is not there. The only pressure that's there is pressure created by you. You know? So make sure you begin to prepare. Everything is crashing. Make sure you begin to prepare. This is not one of them fluff-filled videos. This is not one of them bullshit videos. This is serious information. This is a serious moment. Because just like winners are born, just like millionaires are born, a lot of losers are made. There are a lot of sob stories that are going to come out of this situation. I want to help you not become one of them. I truly do. But that's it for today, man. That's it for today. I wanted to try and keep it simple. I wanted to just give you guys some information on what you should be looking for in the crash, what you should be doing in the crash, and what you should be expecting in the crash, and how you can begin to maneuver yourself or set yourself up for success even though everything is failing. You don't have to be a failure because everything else is failing. You don't have to buy right now because everybody else is buying. You don't have to sell right now because everybody else is selling. You're not forced to make any decisions. Do your research. Get out there and learn something. Once you have adequate information, then make your decision. Your decision. For you. Because that's what's going to matter. You know what I'm saying? But if you like the content today, man, make sure to smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. Smash that notification bell. You know what I'm saying? Because all those things are going to help me make waves in the space. All those things are going to help me boost myself up in the algorithm of YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for anyone that gets to see the video. Thank you for every second that you guys give me. Even if it's only one person, remember that you matter. You know what I'm saying? And like I have to tell you guys every fucking video, I am not your financial advisor. I am not a financial professional. If you're looking for financial advice, please seek the help of a professional. That's why they are professionals. And I am not, and this is not financial advice. So please do not take it as such. And again, man, be cautious, but don't be scared. Get out here, get you some money. You know what I'm saying? The bears can't run forever. Bears get tired. Remember, they gotta hibernate. Bulls run with their head down and take out anything in their way. So keep that in mind, man. Thank you for tuning in to the Phenom Crypto YouTube channel. Peace out.